Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Ingress Timeout Steam ID Instagram how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, any browser, and then simply type in downdetector.com and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you do that, here you'll be able to see all the servers, and then you'll be able to check if the Instagram server is working properly or not. Sometimes the server issue might be causing the problem that you are facing, so just give it some time and it will fix itself. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to your settings app and then scroll down, then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then find Instagram and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on upload app, and what this does is it resets the app by simply removing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.